Hey guys, Andy with HKI USA again. Just wanted to do a quick little walkthrough on the big bike we brought out here to Knowledge Fest Vegas. It's actually a 2016 Road Glide, 32-inch front wheel, lay frame build, monster audio. Up front we start out, we've got the brand new GZCF 165 Neo Pros. Not available yet, but we got 4 of them in here. We also have one set of the GZCT 20M Pros for horns up front. We move our way to the back, we've got the GZCM 8.0 N Pros, 2 in each lid, another set of the GZCT 20M Pros in each lid. Get down into the subwoofer range, we've got 1 in each bag, Ground Zero Hydrogen 10s. They are GZHW 25 XSPL D2s. Monster sound out of these things, guys. We start talking power. This thing has way more power than anybody ever needs, and we're using it for headroom. Up front, we've got 3 of the 2400.4 Evo X amplifiers. We've got 2 800.4 Evo X amplifiers. There's a 400.4 and a 1200.2, all stuffed in the fairing. If you want to see some fun stuff, we come back here. On the subs, we're running an Evo X 12K. This thing's housed with 5 batteries to make sure this thing runs. Nothing but fun, guys. Hey, you got any questions on any of the products? Hit us up. We'll see you soon.